Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, Ispat Nidan Kendra, the Jumbo COVID Treatment Centre of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, inaugurated by Honourable Minister of PNG and Steel, Government of India. Now the news in detail. Ispat Nidan Kendra, the newly developed state-of-the-art Jumbo COVID Treatment Centre of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, was inaugurated by Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, Honourable Minister of PNG and Steel, Government of India, through virtual mode on 2nd June 2021. It is worth mentioning here that the centre has at present 100 oxygenated beds, including 50 ventilator-attached beds. Work is in progress to increase the oxygenated bed strength to 500, including 100 ventilator-attached beds in near future. Mr. Phaggan Singh Kulaste, Union Minister of State for Steel, Mr. Nabakishore Das, Honourable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Orissa, Mr. Jewel Oram, Honourable MP, Sundargarh, Ms. P.K. Tripathi, Secretary Steel, Government of India, Mr. Soma Mondal, Chairman SAIL, Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, and Mr. Nikhil Pavan Kalyan, District Magistrate and Collector Sundargarh, attended the function along with many MLAs from Sundargarh District, large number of senior officers from Steel Ministry, SAIL Board, Government of Orissa, members of unions and Executive Association, employees of RSP, members of media, representatives from local industry bodies and other eminent persons from Rourkela attended the function. The Honourable Union Minister of PNG and Steel unveiled the e-plaque to mark the dedication of the new facility. Describing the inaugural function as a momentous occasion for not only Rourkela but also for the entire region, the Honourable Minister said that SAIL RSP has once again rose to the occasion and proved its capability by taking up hosts of initiatives to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. The Ispat Nidan Kendra will not only strengthen healthcare response in the wake of a possible third wave, this permanent facility will also be used for the non-COVID treatment post the pandemic, he added. He stressed upon the need of vaccination as one of the vital preventive element. Strive to make Rourkela a healthcare hub. Rourkela has a very positive ecosystem. Let's make Sundargarh and Rourkela models in the field of pandemic management, called upon the Honourable Minister. Mr. Phaggan Singh Kulaste appreciated the initiatives taken by Government of India and PSUs in combating the fierce onslaught of the pandemic. He made a special mention of RSP SAIL's role in fulfilling the expectation of Government of India by supplying liquid medical oxygen to different parts of the country and helping the nation to overcome the crisis. Mr. Nabakishore Das said that with a collaborative approach by the central government, state government, industry houses and local administration, the COVID-19 challenges would be surely overcome in near future. Mr. Jewel Oram expressed his sense of immense gratitude towards the Honourable Prime Minister and the SAIL management for creating much-needed health facilities in the region and making it a pioneer in the state. At the outset, Mr. Soma Mondal delivered the welcome address and briefed about the initiatives taken by SAIL in combating the pandemic. Mr. Nikhil Pavan Kalyan, District Magistrate and Collector Sundargarh, highlighted the purpose and facilities available at Ispat Nidan Kendra. He also thanked the management of SAIL RSP to establish such exceptional setup in a very short time. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, proposed a formal vote of thanks. He also said that the team RSP feels privileged for being able to contribute its might during the tough times for the country. A short documentary on SAIL RSP and the facility and purpose of Ispat Nidan Kendra was screened on the occasion. The entire program, attended by more than 1,000 people, was live streamed in different social networking platforms. That's all in this edition of Rourkela News. Namaskar.